never chase people. Why you should never chase people. Some people are lessons, not lifetimes. The more you chase, the faster they run. Sometimes walking away is the only way to find peace. Once upon a time, in a small sunlit town by the river, there lived a young man named Daniel. He had the softest eyes, a kind smile, and a heart that saw beauty in everyone, even those who didn't see it in themselves. He believed that love was something you earned through effort, that if you gave enough, helped enough, and cared enough, people would stay. Daniel grew up watching his parents love unconditionally, even when that love wasn't returned. His mother used to say, "People will come back if you show them kindness." And Daniel believed it with every cell in his heart. When he was 18, he met Amara, a girl who seemed to shine brighter than the sun. She laughed like music, spoke with warmth, and made Daniel feel like he finally belonged somewhere. He thought he found someone who saw him the way he saw others. But life, as always, had other plans. At first, things were beautiful. They'd walk by the river at sunset, talking about dreams, fears, and the future. But slowly, things began to change. Amara became distant. Her messages slowed, her laughter faded, and Daniel found himself constantly trying to win her attention again, as if her love was a reward he had to keep earning. He wrote her poems, bought her gifts, cancelled his plans just to be available for her. He even stopped playing guitar, something he loved, because she once said she didn't like loud hobbies. He changed himself to keep her around, and every time she pulled away, he blamed himself. Maybe I'm not enough. Days turned into months. The more he chased her, the colder she became. Until one evening, under the same sunset where it all began, Amara whispered, "You're too much, Daniel. You care too deeply." Then she walked away. No explanation, no closure, just silence. The world felt heavier after that. Daniel stopped smiling. He avoided the river. He deleted his songs, threw away his poems, and shut the door to his heart. He worked long hours at a local cafe, serving people who didn't even look up from their phones. Every face reminded him of the ones he used to chase, people who never looked back. At night, he'd sit on his roof, staring at the same stars Amara used to love, and wonder, why does love always leave me behind? The pain was quiet but sharp. He replayed every moment, every conversation, searching for what he did wrong. He didn't realize sometimes the only mistake is chasing those who were never meant to stay. If you've ever given your heart to someone who didn't value it, this story is for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Voice of Victory for more inspiring English stories that heal and teach.
I once chased
One rainy afternoon, while cleaning the cafe, an old man named Mr. Allen came in, dripping wet but smiling warmly. He ordered coffee and sat by the window, watching the storm. After a while, he said softly, "You look like a man who's lost something." Daniel forced a smile. "Someone," he corrected. The old man nodded. "And you think if you chase her long enough, she'll realize your worth?" Daniel froze. The old man chuckled gently. "I once chased someone too. Spent years proving I was worthy of their attention. You know what I learned?" Daniel leaned forward, curious. Mr. Allen looked at the storm and said, "When you chase people, you teach them that running from you has power." Those words hit Daniel harder than any heartbreak ever could. "Stop chasing ghosts," Mr. Allen continued. "Start chasing purpose. People who are meant to be in your life will walk beside you, not ahead of you. That That night,
never thought
Daniel
I'd stop
couldn't
needing
sleep.
you.
I was wrong to
He
leave.
thought about his life,
When you
all
stop
the times he
chasing
ran after
people,
people who didn't care whether he stayed or
start
left.
finding
He
yourself.
realized that he had built his world around others' approval, not his own happiness.
If this story touched your
So,
heart,
the next morning, he made a decision. He walked to the river again, the place where it all started. The water glistened under the sunrise, and for the first time in years, it felt peaceful, not painful. He whispered to himself, "No more chasing, no more begging, no more losing myself for someone who doesn't see me." He took out his old guitar, dusted it off, and started to play again. The first note cracked like a cry, but the next sounded like freedom. Weeks turned into months. Daniel poured his pain into music. He started performing at the cafe every Friday, singing songs about heartbreak, self-worth, and letting go. His voice carried both
Every
sadness
person you
and
touch
strength,
becomes a light.
the kind that touches souls. People began to notice. They came not because he begged them to, but because his music made them feel something real. He wasn't chasing anymore. He was becoming. And in that becoming, the world started to chase him. His songs spread online. Messages poured in from people around the world. Your story saved me. Your words healed my heart. Thank you for teaching me that I deserve peace. Daniel had finally found his place, not in someone's heart, but in his own. Years later, during a concert, he saw a familiar face in the crowd. It was Amara. She looked older, softer, but her eyes carried the same storm. After the show, she approached him quietly. "I never thought you'd become someone so strong," she said. He smiled kindly. "I never thought I'd stop needing your approval." She lowered her eyes, tears forming. "I was wrong to leave." Daniel paused, looked at the stage lights, and replied gently, "You were never meant to stay." Then he walked away, not in anger, but in peace. That was the day Daniel realized, chasing others makes you forget your own worth. But when you walk your own path, those who truly value you will find you there. Never chase people. Those who truly care will never make you beg for love, attention, or respect. Chasing people only teaches them that your value depends on their validation. Walk your own path. Build your
Never chase
dreams.
people.
Heal your heart.
Chase.
When you stop chasing people, you start attracting peace, success, and those who are meant to walk beside you, not ahead of you. If this story touched your heart, please like this video, share it with someone who needs it today, and subscribe to Voice of Victory, where every story helps you learn English, grow stronger, and believe in yourself again.